Hey guys, hey Shiba Army, welcome back to the channel. Got another great video on the Shiba Inu, guys. It's been a while since I covered Shib, but we're getting right back into it. Global crypto market is on fire. Everything is in the green. Taking a look at it right now, market cap at 1.94 trillion, up almost 6% over the last day. Now we're approaching that $2 trillion market cap that we once were at. We're getting there slowly. Bitcoin surpassing that $45,000 support. Here we're at 46,500, up around 3% on the day. Even the 7-day looking very good, up over 17%. Ethereum breaking past out of that like $3,100 range that we kept hitting. Now at $3,200, just over $3,244, up over 4%. The 7-day looking really great as we've been in this major bullish run, up over 21%. Everything is in the green. Cardano, ADA, one of my favorite altcoins right here, $1.87, up almost 20% today, guys. 36% almost in the last week. XRP, another favorite of mine, 97 cents. I was talking about this last week when we were about 70 cents. So it's come a long way over the 7-day period, up 33%. Just over 24 hours, it's been skyrocketing almost 20%, guys. Everything is looking good. Dogecoin, here we go, approaching 30 cents. I think we're going to get there by the end of the week. Everything in the green. The market couldn't be better. I know many of you are probably a little unhappy, maybe salty because you didn't pick up more or buy more crypto just weeks ago when we had those lows, probably around the end of July, around July 20th. Everything was hitting that low, like Bitcoin was at 30,000, even went almost close to 28,000, and now it's almost double the price. So guys, still not a bad time to buy. However, this is not financial advice, strictly for entertainment purposes. Before we get into all the Shiba Inu news, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video if you're getting value out of it, turning on those post notifications so you're always going to be up to date whenever I drop a video, and of course sign up for WEBULL, link in the description below. Back on coinmarketcap.com, taking a look at the price of Shiba Inu, coming with the 5 zeros, 8133. Now we're in this 8 range, up over 8% in the last 24 hours. Volume increasing by over 30%, 519 million. Market cap in line with the price, 3.2 billion. Things are looking very good for Shiba Inu. Now, a couple weeks back when crypto market wasn't doing much, Shib wasn't really moving. Even with the release of Shiba Swap, still not much happening. I believe with all the uncertainty out there, there was a lot of FUD being spread. A lot of people had fear that Shiba Inu wasn't going anywhere. So I think a lot of people started to exit their position. Not all of us in the Shib army. I'm still holding my Shiba Inu. However, so many people got fearful, thinking, why isn't it moving? So many investors coming in. But now we can see it is moving. It's going well with the entire crypto market. As we mentioned earlier, crypto market is only up about 5.5% and Shib is up over 8%. So since we're doing much better than the entire crypto market as a global, this is good news in my opinion. There's so much to talk about, guys. So just looking at the holders have increased to over 621,000. I think by end of year, we're probably going to see about 1 million. Could take maybe a couple months into the new year 2022, but definitely on track to have 1 million holders. I definitely see that happening. Taking a look at the 7-day chart, we can see right around here, which was on Saturday, this past Saturday, we did this high of about 8.6, almost 8.7. So we were well on our way. It's come down a little bit. I know a lot of people are always trying to take profits. People getting very unsecure in this market because the crypto market is moving so fast. Every day coins are up 10, 20%. And it's hard to tell if we're going to go back down and see those older levels and have like a little bit of a crash, some retracement, or if we're just going to continue to pump higher and higher and higher and get to those all-time highs of all these altcoins and crypto coins out there. So soon we'll see. But as you can see, great uptrend. Looking at the 1 day, nothing but a nice looking uptrend right here. Chart is looking beautiful, consistently going up from right down here at the beginning of the week, low 7.4. So already catching 8.1, and I think we're going to see getting into the 9 region within the next couple of days. And as long as this crypto market is going the way it is, why it's surging, we should be able to drop a 0 in the next month or so. Here we are on the fear and greed index for the crypto market. As you can see, we're at 70, which right now displays greed. So here's the historical values. Today we're at 70, which is greed. Yesterday a little higher at 71 greed. Last week tons of fear at 42. Last month when everything was just bottoming in like end of July, around July 20th, everything kind of came to a nice bottom. You see extreme fear. So this is a great index to look at, right? Because when you see extreme fear, this is a great opportunity that you should be thinking is the time to buy. Because when everybody's fearful and panic selling and getting rid of all their assets at dirt cheap prices, you want to be the people that pick them up at those cheap prices so you can profit. Because if you picked up last month, especially when everything went down around July 20th, you'd be up like 50% by now, probably more on certain things, right? As we talked about Bitcoin being around 28,000, 30,000, and today well over 46,000. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment. Always do your own due diligence and do your own research. Now we're just looking at the graph here, just taking a look at this just to show you exactly what's been going on. So as I mentioned earlier, right around July 20th, as you can see right here, this is 21st, as low as it gets. Greed fear index at 10. It doesn't get much lower than that. That is a clear indication. Next time you see it at these levels, these are clear indications that are great times to buy. Remember, the stock market, the crypto market is all about transferring money from the patient or the impatient to the patient, right? We know about all these items. It's all about not timing the market correctly, but it's all about your time in the market. Right, and here it is right now. If you put your time in right here, now you'd be laughing. You'd be up so much money by now. You wouldn't know what to do. You would probably want to still hold because we still have a better run to go, right? Bitcoin at 46, we can still reach our all-time high, which was about 64,900. So still a long way to go. Are we going to see that right now? Or are we going to retrace a little? We're going to find out in the next coming weeks. Going over to Reddit, now this post came out a few days ago, but I haven't posted a Shib video in a couple weeks or so. So going back to time to take this out, so Satoshi's checking in. So we have Satoshi here actually in the Reddit, in the Shib Army forum with over 200,000 members. Incredible. I remember when I first started making my first Shib video, I think we were at like 10,000 or so members in the Reddit forum. So this is great news, guys. So here's the post. Hi, Satoshi here. Wanted to discuss our burn so those other FUD posts can melt. We implemented a 25,000 Shib burn and 25,000 leash burn per listing on Shiba Swap Wolf Pools. This is one component of how this works and the other burns on the table. But I wanted to clarify. My Medium will go more into detail, but I wanted to post it here first. So just talking about the burn, a lot of people are excited about a burn. They want to burn, but a lot of people don't actually want to burn their own tokens, right? They just want some of the supply to. So if it's not yours, it's somebody else's. But if you want it to work together, everybody kind of has to partake in this. Now, by now, you've probably heard about this. The biggest hack in DeFi history just occurred with over 600 million cryptocurrency stolen. Apparently $2 million of that 600 was in Shib. So that's really sad to see that anybody in our Shib army lost money, right? That is terrible to see. So we have this tweets coming out, quite a few tweets coming out from Shib Informer. So sadly, the biggest hack in DeFi history was perpetrated today against an important actor in the crypto world. Shib tokens have been mentioned as one of the assets taken. To avoid any confusion, we wanted to make it clear that this has not affected our ecosystem in any way. As you can see, we have some new information right here from Cointelegraph saying the hacker has reportedly sent back over 1 million in USD coin and 2.65 million worth of Shiba Inu. So already we got, I would assume that's most of the Shib, if not all, because it was mentioned it was about 2 million. So this poly hacker, definitely a terrible thing for cryptocurrency. Even though the market, maybe people haven't heard about this yet, but this is huge, huge news. Maybe the fear hasn't kicked in. I assume that once everybody found this out, the markets would take a dip. However, this is just one of those things that goes along with crypto, unfortunately, that because it's decentralized, it's on the internet, it is exposed to hackers. So I hope nobody out there in the Shib army, I hope you guys all got your Shib back. Everything is good to go. And you can rest assured to not have to stress out any longer. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. A nice quick update on Shiba Inu, our favorite cryptocurrency, Shib. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today's Wednesday, August 11th. As we can see, price still in that 80 range, still up 8% in the day. And I think we're going to continue to go higher. But once we start getting higher and higher, of course, you got to expect profit taking. So as soon as we drop a zero, I think it's going to come down a little bit and pull back that zero because people will take that profit, getting all excited. But then eventually we'll just keep pushing through and pushing through and pushing through. Alright guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a like if you're getting value out of this video. Turn on post notifications. I'm going to start creating more and more Shiba Inu videos in the future. And as always, if you want some free money, WEBULL, got a link in the description below. I can save you some fees on Binance as well, link in the description below. And as always guys, happy trading, happy investing, and I will see you all in the next video.